Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compare search terms on Google Trends. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Trends application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you create an account on Google Trends? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of a browser, type trends.google.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Google Trends. Now, once you get in there, they're definitely going to create an account for you automatically because Google Trends is integrated into your Google account. So you don't have to go through the rigorous process of creating an account, just signing up and all of this stuff. It's just going to take you right in here. Let's get straight into business. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags. How to compare search terms on Google Trends. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top corner where you have these tabs, which include Home, Explore, and Trending Now. So go ahead and click on Explore. And that's going to take you to the next window. From there, we're going to see how we can compare search terms. So here you have this add a search term, and in this search term, I'm just going to add something like Black Friday. Black Friday. So click Black Friday. So here where you have this compare, you have this compare box. You're going to click on compare, and let's compare it with another term. Let's say Throwback Thursday. I'm going to click on that. So it means Black Friday is blue and Throwback Thursday is red. So I'm going to have to compare it from this graph. You're going to compare, you're going to see how it's doing. So from here, scroll the way down, you're going to see this compared breakdown by sub-region. So this is by sub-region. So Cross River, you're going to see interest for Black Friday. Cross River, I have bias, I have Akwa Ibom, Ogun State, and Ondo. So this is pretty much it. And now you can use this drop down to click on interest for Throwback Thursday. As you can see, it's not as it was for Black Friday. So it's not as it was. So it's very low. Can go the way down and can check for Black Friday. Now this is related queries. You can see others, and for Throwback Thursday you can see Throwback Thursday quotes, Throwback Thursday questions. These ones are like related subjects or related topics. So here you go. So this is the interest over time. You can compare it using interest over time. So this is Black Friday. As you can see, it's increasingly spiking to even 100, even as at 19th to 25th of November. And for the Throwback Thursday, it's just on this very straight row, and it's not really doing so well. So this is pretty much how you can compare search terms on Google Trends. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.